Ing Platinum Credit Card Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Ing Platinum Credit Card isn't just a premium card, you won't believe the rewards and benefits packed into it. Most people get this wrong by assuming high annual fees automatically outweigh perks, but the surprising truth is that the card balances cost and value effectively. The annual fee is around, which is offset by cashback, travel benefits and insurance coverage. You earn 1-2% cashback on everyday spending like groceries, dining and fuel, with higher rates on selected categories. You won't believe the additional perks: travel insurance, purchase protection, concierge services, and exclusive discounts make the card more than just a spending tool. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the fee. The real value comes from maximizing rewards and leveraging benefits. For example, frequent travelers can use the complimentary insurance and concierge services to save time and money, while regular spenders earn cashback that can exceed the annual fee. In conclusion, Ing Platinum Credit Card pricing reflects its premium benefits and practical rewards. By evaluating the annual fee, spending habits and perks, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you get for your money. It's more than a card, it's a strategic financial tool.